The world really does look better with rosé colored glasses on, don't you think? In this episode, Cindy, Allison, and I explore three budget friendly rosé options for your sipping pleasure. You will come away with three excellent expressions of rosé to search for and enjoy. We'd love you to subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and let us know what rosé wines you enjoy. When the sun is shining and there are blue skies up above, I love pouring myself a nice, refreshing glass of rosé to sip and enjoy while I look over my North Shore mountains. What I like even more, though, is when I can find a rosé that is cost effective and tastes delicious.
I totally agree. Living in Los Angeles, we have many sunny days, and rosé is something that I enjoy year round. My parents are also big fans of rosé, especially my mom. And when I head to their house to spend time by the pool, a tasty, affordable bottle of rosé makes everyone happy.
Yeah, that sounds good. For me, rosé is the perfect choice for summer outings on our boat. That's about the only time. Rosé hits the right points for me when we cruise around Lake Michigan or go into the Chicago River. Our friends always count on me to have tasty, cheap, and cheerful bottles of rosé on board to enjoy. Okay.
Yeah, well, I have a really pretty rosé in my glass. Very cheap, cheerful, and affordable. Yes. I have the Los Vascos Rosé. It's a 2019 rosé from the Chocalgua Valley in Chile. And this valley is sort of known as the Napa Valley of Chile because there are a lot of really big name wineries that have ended up there. And this winery is no exception. It is owned by Domaine Baron de Rothschild, Lafite. You might have heard of them. And they were the very first French to invest in Chile in the late 80s. And this is in the central zone of Chile. So it's a warmer zone, but also it's about 25 miles from the sea, which we always know is a good sign for cool air and freshness. So we have a blend of 60% Syrah, 30% Cabernet, and 10% Mourvèdre. It's a beautiful pale pink color. I just love the color. And I love the intensity. It's got a lot of strawberry and raspberry and grapefruit notes on the nose. I mean, what's not to love about rosé? You get nice acidity with kind of a creamy mid palate. I mean, it just makes me feel like I should be outside by the pool right now, but I could also enjoy it with food.
That's right. Now, I'm sticking with the cheap and cheerful idea. I've got the Bertani Berta Rosé for only $14. And it's located in the Veneto region of Northeast Italy. But you may have heard of Bertani because of its production of Amarone. They have a 150 plus year history of winemaking, and that even includes royal accreditation. Bertani is proactive about blending tradition with modern techniques. And in this wine, the grapes are from hillside vineyards above Lake Garda. And look at this beautiful pale pink color. It's from 75% Molinara grapes and 25% Merlot. Refreshing, oh my gosh, aromas of pomegranate. Those pomegranates really hitting the stride right now. Red currants, white flowers. It's about as cheerful as it gets. Good body and balance between the acidity and tartness. A long finish. Wow. Perfect as a beginning to the meal, which is pretty much what I love to do. And with salads, light pasta dishes, and white meat, or just sipping on the boat on a hot afternoon. Christine, what's in your glass?
And for $14, right? You know, you can't go wrong with that.
No.
I've kind of gone a different way from you two ladies. I went to France, number one. And I went to a card Bordeaux. I'm just kidding.
My God, what a big box of wine you have there.
I know. It's
better to drink it with.
4 whole bottles in this 3-liter box. So my cheap and cheerful is this for many reasons. It's $10 a bottle when you break it all down, which is amazing. In the cardboard box, this stays tight, airtight, fresh, fabulous. This is from Famille Perrin, and it is La Vieille Ferme, and it is from the Vento region of France. So that is in the Southern Rhone. It's a blend of Cinsault, Grenache, and Syrah. The vineyards are located on the slopes of Mount Vento, and so that makes it a cooler climate. So the grapes are able to maintain some great acidity. And Family Perron are the leading organic growers in the Southern Rhone Valley. They own 6 very high profile wine brands and are known worldwide for their amazing quality wines. I first tried this little beauty in the 750 milliliter bottle, and I was totally impressed by the price point. I think it was $12.99. And then the next summer, I went to go look, and it was in a Magnum bottle. So I, thought it was a little bit kind of cheeky of me. So I bought the Magnum, which was $20 for a Magnum of rosé for this backyard barbecue. My friends were like, "Damn, girl, it was amazing." And everyone was so thrilled. So I keep kind of coming back to this brand. And then because it's so popular, because obviously it was flying off the shelves, the very smart people at Famille Perrin decided to put it in this cardboard box. I keep it in my fridge. I always have something fresh. It doesn't go bad. It's, like good for at least 3 weeks in the fridge. So when people are dropping by, absolutely perfect.
It makes perfect sense, Christine, because as the pack that it's in, as it comes out, no oxygen gets in.
Zero.
Yeah. And then I love the idea that whether in your fridge or even by the pool, you have that little spigot, you turn it on, you fill up your glass.
Yeah, it's like my rosé water fountain.
It's another idea for the boat too. I mean,
Yes.
it's not gonna break. It's
Nope.
perfect.
It is. It's perfect. And this is, for $10 a bottle, it's bursting with watermelon, strawberry, red cherry. And they're like you two, both a very nice long finish. And there's this dash of kind of like nutmeg on the finish, and it's juicy and dry. And there's only 1.2 grams of residual sugar in this. So it tastes fruity, but this is a totally dry, incredibly well-crafted wine for $10 a bottle. Come on. Whew. Well, ladies, do you agree with me that we should all start drinking pink more often?
Oh yeah,
yes,
definitely.
for sure.
Yeah. From Chile to Italy to France, we all found an excellent and affordable rosé to enjoy. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, give our video a like, and do let us know what rosés you enjoy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.